How you going, people? That was Buddy's butt you saw up there. I wanted to, I've been wanting to do this video because I see on TV and I see cops out in the field, and it's not, I got 3 signs left, 3 square ones. All the other ones are gone. If I get enough orders, well, I'm not going to keep your money. I'll just go buy 5 or 10 more. So, let me put these gloves on and show you real quick a little. This seems pretty common knowledge to me and cops because we were just trying to do this. But I'm upstairs putting that linseed oil on my saddle stand, and then I took apart my M1 Garand and I took it out. The stock kind of looked, you know, M1 Garand, they're kind of old guns, so the stock looked a little dry. So I took it apart and I just put some linseed oil in it. It looks pretty freaking nice. I'll show you. Maybe I'll cut in a little clip on what it looks like on one coat, and then I'll put a couple more coats before I put it back together, and then maybe I'll show it in some video if I remember. So, protective gloves. When you put them on, it's great for if you want to conceal or save evidence. Let's say I've got this and it's a piece of evidence. If you pick it up, you can pull your glove over it like so, and now you don't have your DNA or anything on it. It's on the outside. Tie it up, drop it in an evidence bag, etc. If you're collecting evidence for some reason or you want to save something, that's the way you get it in there without messing it up or touching it. Now I can drop this whole thing in a Ziploc bag. If you're using biological like blood, something moist, you don't want to put it in plastic because it'll start molding. You want to put it in paper so it can dry out. It'll still keep its DNA properties, but it'll dry out. But the main thing I wanted to show people is when you take a glove on and off, let's say this glove is on, because I already took it off on that. So when you take a glove off, the best way to do it to stop cross-contamination, I see people pulling one glove off and then they're reaching around and they're doing this, and then they got 2 gloves in their hand and they're walking around trying to throw it away, and I'm like, dude, you're getting all that funk from all these people all over you. So the way that most people in medical, I'm assuming they give this training too, I mean cops got it for bloodborne pathogens, etc. You pull one glove off with the glove hand inside out, and then you crumble that up in the glove without touching it, and then you go on the inside of your other glove so you're not touching it, and you pull that other glove. Now all the DNA and crap's on the inside, and you can either tie a knot here, sometimes I'll tie a knot, or you can throw it away like this. But I mean, I watch these guys on TV doing that. I was watching them doing that, and I'm like, you guys are like collecting evidence, contaminating, picking up one object and picking up another one, not changing your gloves, you're cross-contaminating shit. I was like, don't anybody get any damn training on how to take off a pair of gloves? Well, you got training now, because that's how you do it. Alright, I've been wanting to do that little video for a while, and since I just pulled my gloves off, where's that crazy Moki cat? He was in here. Moki, where'd you go, boy? Oh, he's over there eating. Some of you guys like to say he's cleaning himself up. Probably out there hunting. Hey boy, say hi to YouTubies. Hi Moki Boo! Alright, well in that there,